Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement today. When you stop and think about the fact that on Friday the price was down around this area, now all of a sudden the price has worked its way up to where it has. Very nice move, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that is down here at $8.40, which is where our first update comes into play. And this update is based on just foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this situation. Why so, and why is this area helpful? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, I mean, to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves like this, and then it starts to work its way back upwards. But the big difference being, well, in this situation, at least the price has a set of lows there. You look at that set of lows right there, and if you envision those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as $8.40. So definitely a very important level going into not necessarily Tuesday, but for the over this next several days. In terms of levels of resistance, next key battleground, and now watch closely, going to be right up there at that $10 mark. So keep a close eye on $10. But yeah, all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today. Very nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.